The story of thalidomide stands as one of medicine's darkest chapters, yet it fundamentally transformed how we approach drug safety today. In the late 1950s, this seemingly miraculous sedative promised relief from anxiety and morning sickness, marketed as completely safe for everyone, including pregnant women. Doctors prescribed it widely, and the drug's popularity soared across Europe, Australia, and many other countries. What followed was a medical catastrophe of unprecedented scale. Thousands of babies were born with severe birth defects, shortened or missing limbs, damaged organs, and other devastating malformations. Many didn't survive. Parents who had trusted their doctors and the pharmaceutical industry were left devastated, their lives forever altered by a drug that had been promoted as harmless. The correlation wasn't immediately obvious, as the effects only appeared when the drug was taken during specific weeks of pregnancy. The response from the drug's manufacturer, Chemie Grunenthal, was initially one of denial and deflection. Despite mounting evidence of a connection between thalidomide and birth defects, the company continued to sell the drug. It took the courage of individual doctors to stand up and demand action. Dr. Wedekind Lenz in Germany and Dr. William McBride in Australia independently identified the pattern and raised the alarm, risking their professional reputations to protect public health. In the United States, a different kind of hero emerged. Dr. Francis Kelsey, a newly hired medical officer at the FDA, faced intense pressure to approve thalidomide for the American market. Despite repeated demands from the pharmaceutical company, she stood firm in her conviction that the drug's safety data was insufficient. Her steadfast dedication to scientific rigor and patient safety spared countless American families from tragedy. The thalidomide crisis became a watershed moment in medical history. It led to the development of modern pharmacovigilance, the systematic monitoring of drug safety. Governments worldwide implemented stricter regulations for drug testing and approval. The requirements for proving a drug's safety, particularly during pregnancy, were dramatically expanded. Clinical trials became more rigorous, and post-market surveillance became standard practice. Today, the thalidomide tragedy serves as a powerful reminder of why we need robust drug safety protocols. It demonstrates how the courage of individuals, whether they're doctors, scientists, or regulatory officials, can save countless lives. The lesson is clear. When it comes to medical innovation, we must never sacrifice safety for speed or profit. Patient well-being must always be the primary concern. The impact of thalidomide continues to influence medical practice and pharmaceutical development today. It taught us that scientific vigilance, ethical responsibility, and regulatory oversight are not obstacles to progress. They are essential safeguards that protect public health. As we face new medical challenges and develop new treatments, we must never forget the lessons learned from this tragic chapter in medical history.